Hi my beauty fam, this is Uma. You are watching Beauty Tips with Uma. Please subscribe to my channel before head into the video. Today I am going to show you a Glam Smoky Smudge look. So let's get started. Here I am using BZ oil. This is the vitamin oil that can use for dry skin before going to start your makeup. After massaging well, here I am going to use my favorite MAC foundation in the shade of Warm. This is perfect for any kind of Indian skin tones if you are having a warm skin. Blending well by using my favorite MAC makeup brushes. Make sure to blend to the complete face, neck and ears without having any lumps on your face. After blending well, here I'm not going to leave up like that. Again I'm going to blend my foundation by using oval makeup brushes for the last time, because this can make your foundation deep into your skin. Next, here I am using lasting breathable 24 hours concealer in the shade of Warm, and I'm going to just blend up wherever I am having a dark circles or any higher pigments on my skin. Here I am using my favorite duster, which is really very good to blend the concealer. So I am going to blend my concealer well throughout the eye area and my side lips. Here I am going to use MAC press powder in the shade of Warm color, and I am going to dust up to the complete face, neck and ears wherever I applied the foundation and concealer. Press powder can sit up your foundation and concealer for long lasting. Next, here I am going to use Rimmel London bronzer, and this is very sun-kissed bronzer, I can say. Just I am going to blend up to my cheekbones to highlight that my cheekbones so pretty well and looks so gorgeous. And then with the same bronzer I am going to just blend up to my bone of the cheeks and upper forehead and the side of the nose. This can make your shape of the face so perfect. Using Essence Super Last 24 Hours Eyebrow Pencil in the shade of brown color, and I'm going to fill up my eyebrows so well. Wherever I'm having unwanted eyebrows, I'm going to fill that. Using Benefit Cosmetics Brow Pencil in the shade of brown color, and I'm going to fill up my brows so well. Here I am going to use my favorite BH Cosmetics Zodiac eyeshadow palette. In this palette I am going to use plenty of colors. So first I am going to crease up my eyelid area to make a cut crease for today's look. Using a mud shade and blending the crease area, blending well to the shade of eyeshadow, that is the key for the makeup. So blend, blend, blend. And next here I am going to use a smoky purple color eyeshadow from the same palette, and I'm going to crease up my corner area. This can smoke your eyelids so well, guys. So if you are not tried this palette, please make sure to try this palette and you're gonna love it. using higher pigmented eyeshadow from the same palette, and I'm going to crease rest of the eyelid area that can go to be very highlight for your eyelid. So this is very obsessed palette, guys, so please make sure I'm going to link up in my description box about this palette, so please check out there. Here you can look at the color of my eyelid, how beautiful it is. With the higher pigment and the side of the smoky look, it's really gorgeous. So the next thing, I'm going to use a gold shimmer shade and I'm going to just crease up to my eye bone area. This can highlight your entire eyelid. Using black eye pencil, and I'm going to crease up my water eyelid. This is very obsessive pencil, I can say. I'm using this pencil for long years. After using the pencil, I'm not going to leave up my eyes like that. For the extra highlight look, I'm going to crease up the black smoky from the same palette of Zodiac, and I'm going to crease up my waterline. This is gonna make your eyelid so wow. Here I am using silver shimmer shade eyeshadow and creasing to the corner eyelid, and next I am going to use MAC mascara and I am going to fill up my lashes. This mascara is a volume mascara and a long lasting, must try it. Here I am using Star Wars lipstick in the shade of dark brown color, and I'm going to just fill up my lips. I'm not going to use any lip pencil for today's look. I'm just enough with this lipstick. If you want, you can use a lip pencil too. And next I'm going to use this light silver shimmer highlighter and I'm going to blend up wherever highlighting part on our face. And here is the final look. I hope you like this makeup. If you like this makeup, please hit that like button and share comments below. And if you are new to my channel, please subscribe to my channel. We'll be back soon with a brand new makeup. See you. Bye.